Here I will explain material about mental health nursing. The present perfect tense which describes an event that occurred before a specific time in the past but still continues today. This tense consists of a combination of the perfect and the present time form. Shortly, the tense is used as a link between the past and the present. Pola present perfect tense. Present perfect tense dibentuk dengan auxiliary verb have atau has dan past participle verb to. Has untuk subjek and you, we, they, sedangkan has untuk subjek he, she, dan it. Bentuk positif. Pola A, you, we, they plus have plus verb 3. Contoh kalimat: They have worked in Muhammadiyah Hospital for a long time. Pola he, she, it plus has plus verb 3. Contoh kalimat: He has worked in Muhammadiyah Hospital for 1 year. Bentuk negatif. Pola A, you, we, they plus have plus not plus verb 3. Contoh kalimat: They have not worked in Muhammadiyah Hospital for a long time. Pola he, she, it plus has plus not plus verb 3. Contoh kalimat: He has not worked in Muhammadiyah Hospital for 1 year. Bentuk interrogatif. Pola have plus I, you, we, they plus verb 3. Contoh kalimat: Have they worked in Muhammadiyah for a long time? Pola has plus he, she, it plus verb 3. Contoh kalimat: Has he worked in Muhammadiyah Hospital for 1 year? For and since. Pada grammar present perfect tense, keterangan waktu yang sering digunakan adalah for dan since. For digunakan untuk menunjukkan berapa lama periode waktu berlangsung. Contohnya, I have worked in Mulia Hospital for 5 years. For dapat dihilangkan dalam suatu kalimat present perfect tense karena keterangan waktu ini masih bisa dimengerti meskipun tidak disertai dalam kalimat. Contoh yang pertama, dalam bentuk positif, he has worked here for several years. Dalam bentuk negatif, he has not worked here for several years. Dalam bentuk interrogatif, for how long has he worked here? Ada beberapa kata kerja yang tidak bisa digunakan bersamaan dengan kata for, seperti began, arrive, meet, and left, stop. Since digunakan untuk menunjukkan suatu periode waktu dimulai. Contohnya, I have worked in Mulia Hospital since 5 years ago. Since tidak dapat dihilangkan dalam kalimat present perfect tense karena bisa menghilangkan fungsi keterangan waktu itu sendiri dan makna kalimat. Contoh dalam bentuk positif, he has worked here since June. Dalam bentuk negatif, he has not worked since June. Dalam bentuk interrogatif, since when he has worked here. Penggunaan we have to know the meaning in the formula of the present perfect tense. To be able to use and recognize it appropriately, we must also understand the use number is. 1. Untuk menjelaskan suatu kejadian yang dimulai pada masa lampau dan masih berlanjut sampai sekarang. Contoh kalimat, we have worked in Mulia Hospital for 3 years. 2. Untuk menjelaskan kejadian yang dimulai dan berakhir di masa lampau dan efeknya masih berlanjut sampai sekarang. Contohnya, I consume the medicine. 3. Untuk menunjukkan bahwa suatu kejadian terjadi berulang kali di masa lampau. Contohnya, Ahmad has nursed 5 times. 4. Untuk mengungkapkan kejadian yang baru saja terjadi atau dilakukan. Contoh kalimat, Doctor has just gone to the office.